In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails from your Yahoo Mail account. We've all been there. You accidentally delete an important email or you change your mind about discarding a message you thought you no longer needed. Well, worry not, because with Yahoo Mail, recovering those emails is a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few quick steps. First, let's start by logging in to your Yahoo Mail account. Go to the Yahoo Mail website or open the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. Enter your login details, which typically consist of your email address and password, and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox, and it's here where the rescue mission begins. To access your deleted emails, take a look at the left-hand panel within your Yahoo Mail interface. There, you'll find a list of folders like Inbox, Sent, and more. Usually, the option we need at this critical juncture isn't visible immediately, but not to worry. Do you see a small icon or text that hints at more options, often labeled with More or represented by 3 little dots? Click on this to reveal further options. Scroll through the list until you spot the trash folder. The trash folder is where your deleted emails hang out for a certain period before being permanently erased. It acts like a safety net, allowing you some grace time to retrieve anything that you might have discarded in haste. Now, you're inside the trash folder. Here, you'll see a list of emails that have been deleted recently. Take a moment to browse through and locate the email or emails you're trying to recover. Next to each email on the left side, there is a small checkbox. Simply click this checkbox next to the email or emails you want to bring back to life. Once you've selected the emails you wish to recover, the next move is crucial. Look toward the top area of your screen to find an icon that often looks like a little envelope moving back to a mailbox, typically called the Restore to Inbox icon. Clicking this icon will magically transport your chosen emails back to the safety of your inbox, where you can access them as usual. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your emails. Isn't that a relief? As a tip, make it a habit to occasionally check the trash folder before emails are deleted forever, especially if you frequently delete messages. This way, you won't miss out on something vital. Remember, technological hiccups happen to the best of us, so know that Yahoo Mail has this handy feature to save the day when you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you recover any lost messages with ease.